Alright. Well, we have the noise of the AC. That's no good. And welcome to Home Studio Quickies, the show. What?
Boo!
What's wrong?
Boo!
Oh, you knew about last week. Okay, well. We do have one question. No, it's related. Listen. James McCool, on last week's video unboxing my mystery box, says, seriously?
Put the gun down. I saw you with the box. What was in the box?
Because I envy your normal life.
Put the gun down, David.
It seems that envy is my sin.
Oh, what's in the box? Not till you give me the what's gun. In the box?
Well, I don't think it's as serious as what was in that box, but I do have the box.
Yes!
And I'm going to open it again. And this time you get to see what's inside.
Merry Christmas!
All right. Packing material. And we have a black box. Let's throw this box away. Okay. Ta-da! The Komplete Audio 6 Premium 6-channel audio interface, including Ableton Live Lite, Machine Essentials, Replica, Mod Pack, Monarch, and Solid Bus Comp software included. I said included twice, but I do already have Monarch, Solid Bus Comp. I have the Mod Pack, also have the Crush Pack, but I don't have Machine Essentials, so that'll be good. And I've been wanting to learn Ableton Live Lite, but you guys don't care about that.
What's in the box?
Let's open the box. As we saw last week, the pack with not software, but it's got some papers. And there's the complete audio card, information on how to set it up. So I'll be going through that. We have some, I believe these are tractor stickers, and subscription to sounds.com. So I think it's a 2 months free or something like that. It's not like you get a full subscription just by buying this, but we're looking for crowning act. So of course we have the USB cable. Okay, a little bit overdone, but this in this shiny plastic wrap, which you can't really see anything because I need to unwrap the shiny plastic wrap. It's the first time peeling the tape off. Got our ASMR with the crinkly bag. I'm kidding. I don't. Ooh, look at that glossy finish on there. So we have right here. We have the inputs. We have input 1 level meters, input 2, 3, and 4. It has 4 analog audio inputs. We have of course, our volume knob for the main 1 and 2 outputs. And then on the front of the box, we have our 2 headphone jacks with independent volume controls. Ooh, these knobs feel great. Solid. There's like tension to them. I think a little bit more tension. Let me feel my Scarlett over here. The Scarlett feels good too, but it's a different type of feel. Okay, now the gain knobs for each of the combi inputs on the front, and so we have mono stereo. So I'm guessing, and I looked this up maybe it'll tell me somewhere else. I looked up online. I couldn't quite tell that if you switch this to stereo, that these will work as a stereo pair. That's my guess anyway. And then if you put it to mono, then they function independently. And we have the gain knobs, and you have instrument line switch, which is basically changing the input sensitivity. Line is typically for microphones. Instrument, like you're plugging in your guitar, switch to instrument. And let's see. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I guess this is the monitoring switch. I didn't, again, I'll have to look again because I didn't see anything on this particular one here. Lots of switches there. And if we come around to the back, we have, of course, our NI badge, USB Type B, I think. Yeah, anyway, I'll double check that later. We have our MIDI, our MIDI in, MIDI out, SPDIF in, SPDIF out. Yes, got that right. And then we have our outputs 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are also CV capable, so you can send control voltage to your analog synths if you want to. Kensington lock, never used one of those in my life, but could be helpful, so there that is. And it's quite hefty, actually. I think the Scarlett is made of metal. I can't really show you the Scarlett because I'm using it to record audio right now. But at some point we can do a comparison. But definitely more outputs on this one, more inputs. The Focusrite doesn't have MIDI. This does. So if I did want to connect MIDI or SPDIF, these also do our RCA. So one thing I thought was interesting was, oops, I'm going to knock the camera over here. One thing I thought was interesting was the monitoring thing has input and host. So if you go here, I guess it's just the input, and the middle is both and the host, or you can turn off the monitoring that way, as opposed to just an on-off switch like the Scarlett has. So we'll see. I'm not going to say it's better at this point because I haven't tested it yet. That should be interesting. So I'm going to plug this in, get it set up, and we'll go from there. Oh, I guess that wasn't the tractor sticker logo. I just looked down, random fact. I just looked down, and where are those stickers? Come here. It's the Komplete logo. So we got two black ones, we got two white ones, which you can't see so well up there on top. Yeah, but that would be to stick. Maybe I'll stick them on my JBLs or something.